Now, as well as finding and drawing native plants, I also have a mission for you both.
I love missions.
We've got to look for something brown and hairy that lives near the beach.
Is it a kangaroo?
A platypus?
A wombat?
None of the above. It's actually a plant.
Wait. Yeah, no, that's what she said. She said platypus.
No, I didn't.
Platypus?
Yeah, you did. Yeah. This Banksia sure doesn't look great.
It's brown.
And hairy.
Oh, that's our brown and hairy plant.
Pretty funny, Clarence. How can we help propagate it?
Well, we need to get the seeds out.
Do we plant it?
Or cut it up?
Or water it?
Or throw it into a tree?
Whew, settle down. I don't know if any of those things will work. But I do have one way that I think you'll enjoy, particularly if you like snacks.
What does that
Come
mean?
on, I'll show you. A lot of plants have adapted to release their seed when there's a fire.
So, in order for our Banksia to release seeds...
We need to barbecue it?
Precisely, yeah.
And didn't you say something about a yummy snack?
As a matter of fact, I did.
Marshmallows!
Oh, yeah.
When grown-ups are starting a fire, you should always keep your distance.
When the fire goes down, you can get a little closer. About the same distance you'd get if you were toasting marshmallows. Yum!
And you should also make sure to let your marshmallows cool down before you eat them.
All right. There it is.
Wow, that's amazing.